Let's talk about the new development bank. It's now funding a lot more of the projects it has in its portfolio in local currencies and not just the US dollar. Headquartered in Shanghai, the NDB was set up by the original 5 BRICS member states. CGTN's Radhika Bajaj sat down with the Vice President and the CEO of the bank, Vladimir Kazbekov, to discuss the change in strategy.
You've also, I think, earlier spoken about that there are limits to de-dollarization, and that's somewhat also, reflected in the relatively low number of disbursements in local currency. So, how is the NDB working to tackle this challenge?
It's de-dollarization. It's quite. I'm not sure you can just switch. It's a process. And the speed of this process depends on various conditions, on countries, on markets, etc. We are working in this environment. So for the moment, we feel that, let's say, as for CNY, CNY is cheaper than dollar, judging by the rates. That's why we definitely must use, as a normal bank, we can use this opportunity. Moreover, China provided for international development banks special, for like rights or special conditions. Now we can use CNY abroad and direct and finance projects with CNY outside China directly. Now we're considering first projects of that type in the member countries like Brazil. And now we can swap CNY without any limit to USD or any other currency. And we're also considering direct swap from CNY to other member countries currency. It's, it's a very interesting period, challenging, but we see the new opportunities for NDB because we have quite, I should say, effective member countries ready to support the institution. We feel it every day in China, in India, in Brazil, in Russia, and in South Africa. In Emirates, they are very effectively ready to support NDB entrance to the financial market.